to go viral with your YouTube short. In this video, I will be teaching you, either you're using your laptop device or your mobile phone, I will be teaching you how to generate a thumbnail and then how to add thumbnail, I mean custom thumbnails to your YouTube shorts. Not that type of shorts that we are showing you whereby you select the part of your video. No, this one I will be showing you how you can design a thumbnail and then upload it with your YouTube short, as in like how you can add custom thumbnails to your YouTube shorts. I know you must have been watching other people's shorts having thumbnails as like normal 9.16, meaning portraits. You can see that's what I'm you can see the difference. We have what we call landscape thumbnail and then portrait thumbnails. The landscape is that one you know, which is 16.9, while the portrait is the one you might not know or you have not seen before, or you don't even know that it exists, which is the 9.16. And I'll be showing you, after designing it, I'll be showing you how you can do what, apply it to your YouTube short, so that whenever people go to your short section, they see a better design, and this will make them to click more. And the more they click, the more you have what, viral videos. That's why you go and watch other people's video, you'll be seeing millions of views on their shorts. Is because they know how to design custom thumbnail and then how to add the custom thumbnail to their YouTube short. So first thing first, we need to get our thumbnails ready. So go to ChatGPT in case you don't have it in your phone. Either you're using iPhone or Android phone, go to App Store or Play Store, download this ChatGPT, okay? Now, after you have downloaded it, go ahead and open it, because we need to actually have our thumbnail first. So now when you open it, now I've actually created a landscape thumbnail, which you can see here, but you cannot use landscape thumbnail for your YouTube shorts. So in order for us to create a portrait, you can see there's what we call landscape and portrait. So in order for us to create a YouTube shorts thumbnails, we are going to tell ChatGPT. For example, I will tell ChatGPT that this thumbnail now that you're seeing here, convert it to what, to 9.16 aspect ratio, because YouTube short is 9.16 and not 16.9. So you can see, change the aspect ratio towards 9.16. Then I will say generate. Then you give it some seconds and you can see it has generated the thumbnail. So go ahead, click the thumbnail, then at your top right, download the thumbnail. So meaning now, number one, we have just downloaded, we have gotten our thumbnail ready. Don't forget, there's a difference between landscape is 16.9, while the portrait for shorts is 9.16. So now let's go to CapCut. So open CapCut and then click on new video. Now pick that short video. So this is the short video that we want to use now. You can see as well, if you don't have CapCut, go ahead and download it. So now after you have opened your CapCut and you have come to pick your video, make sure you have recorded your YouTube shorts, okay? So now this is our YouTube shorts. So click on add to bring it in. Now at your left, you see cover. You see that cover? You can see that thing I'm pointing at, right? It is called cover. So meaning that's what will be in the front of your video. So go ahead and click on that cover. If you're using your phone, either Android or this thing, you will see it there. Now look at where they say upload. Now click on that plus and then go ahead. Now as you can see, this is the thumbnail we just designed. Let's assume you did not design your thumbnail, you will not see it. So we have already designed it, and this is it in our in our CapCut. So click on that confirm button at your bottom right in order to have it in. Now go ahead and from your top right, click on save. Now you have just added you have just added a thumbnail to your YouTube short. So the next thing we are going to do, as you can see now, everything is fine. So the next thing we are going to do now is to export the video. But before you export the video, make sure that everything is fine. You can see everything. Now you can see that the cover is already there. Do you see? Then at your top right, you're going to see export. So go ahead and export your video. Now our YouTube short with thumbnail is ready. It is now time for us to go to YouTube and then upload it as short. So if you open your YouTube, at your bottom center, you see your plus button to upload. Now look at the shorts. Do you see the shorts? So click on the shorts. Now you can see this shot now have the thumbnail that we just added. So go ahead and click on next. Okay, then click on next again. Now, after you have clicked on next, look at the thumbnail. Make sure you still click on that pen. You should go ahead and still click on the pen, because we want to be sure that we have selected the thumbnail. As you can see down, you can see the thumbnail area is the one that is selected, because we don't want to make any mistake. So click on the confirm button from that top right. Now put your title, how to add custom short thumbnails, then put hashtag shorts and then hashtag viral. Always put these two hashtags, but if you have any other one, you can go ahead. Now this come to unlisted. You see that unlisted, right? You have to unlist this for 1 hour. After you can see we have public, we have members, we have unlisted, and we have private. You are going to be unlisting this video for 1 hour, because you want YouTube to take their time to do what? To assess the video before they will know who to push it to. It will make your video go viral or have more virality. Then after that 1 hour, you now come back and put it in public. Don't leave it in unlisted forever. Come back after 1 hour and put it in what? In public. Now, after we have made sure that everything is fine in our visibility, will as well come back to what? Make sure that your video is not meant, you can see my own is not meant for kids, but if your video is for children, no problem. Now come to description. Okay, then go ahead and type your description. For example, I say, have you been struggling to get viral shots? Then watch this video. Make sure you always put what? A description in your YouTube short, because you want to have keywords in your videos that people can easily access. Now, after we have done that, for those of you that are asking now, that how can you link your short to your long form video, this is how to do it. As like you want to connect your short to your long. So go ahead and click on that related video. It's going to bring you here. So when it brings you here, select any video you want to link the short to. So I've selected the video I want to link my short to. So that is how to do that. So now come to add to playlist. Then select the playlist, your own playlist, because this video is about YouTube. So I will select YouTube playlist. Now, this video is not a paid promotion video. So I will say no, it is not a paid advert video. Then I will come to these attributes. So now they now want to ask you if this video is AI video. So I will click on this AI use and I will say no, this video is not AI video. Then after I've indicated no, I will come to tag. I'll put like maybe I'll put like 4 tags. Okay, for example, YouTube shorts, and then YouTube viral videos, and how to edit shorts. Then the 4th one, YouTube YouTube thumbnail, YouTube short thumbnail. Then put comma. As you are writing, you put comma to activate them. Now after you have done everything, then you go ahead. Don't forget that this unlisted, come back after 1 hour to put it back to public. All right, don't forget that. Then after you have done this, at your bottom you will see upload short. So click on the upload short. As you can see now, do you see that this short have been uploaded? And you can see that this short now look different from other shots on my channel. It actually look different. Now if you live in another country, you'll be able to even go to your YouTube studio, and because you might not need to go to CapCut, because in some other country, or if you're using your laptop, you can just go straight to your YouTube studio and then add your thumbnail without even going to CapCut. But for easy understanding, just do it this way and then you are fine. So in case this first time you're seeing my YouTube video, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I actually create videos on YouTube tips, YouTube growth, something that will help you. And I also create video on video editing, which means my channel is just a good channel for you. And if you want me to make any video for you, go to the comment section, type what you want me to do for you, and I will attend to that. Okay, so if you're still struggling for 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour, do you see this video? Go and watch this video. This video will help you to get your 4,000 watch hour, 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget, one of the easiest way for you to grow as a YouTuber is going around supporting each other. Leave meaningful comments under anybody's video, and after you have watched, like and comment, people can also see you from there and then come support you on your own video. All right, so see you.